honeys. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're interested in learning how to fry the best fried chicken, honey. Pull out whatever party wings, chicken wings, breast, thighs, or drums you have in your freezer, and let's get into it. Okay, so to start with, you're going to, of course, need a kitchen. All right. After that, wash your chicken off, dry it if possible. And then afterwards, put it in a Tupperware bowl of any sort. I use some Lawry's Urban Garlic Marinade. Then I also love the Lawry seasoning salt, which is a staple in my household. I love the Tony Satcher seasoning that my husband's family put me on. Garlic powder, cayenne pepper, which is one of my favorites. Italian seasoning, some Body Yaddy Yaddy, a complete seasoning salt. I love the self-rising flour for my fried chicken instead of all-purpose. And then, of course, you need some type of deep frying pan or cast iron skillet, etc. And I use canola oil. So next, with our chicken, we're going to season it. Now, I'm no Paula Deen or Rachel Ray Child, honey. I just season with my soul. Listen to your ancestors, listen to your spirit, and you do it till you're satisfied, okay? I know how my husband likes his food seasoned. I know how I like it. So you do it as such. What your man, your woman prefers, or what you prefer is what you'll do today. So just season it. And afterwards, I add a little bit of the marinade, just coat it on there. Again, just eyeballing it. Afterwards, I'm going to put my top on and shake it up. Okay, so I know back in the day we used to use the grocery bag, and grandmama them was right, it worked, but I don't got time for the mess, or I don't want it sitting in my refrigerator for too much, child. So either way, I do this in a Tupperware bowl. So after that, I didn't feel it was seasoned enough for my spirit, so I added more Tony Satchers, and then afterwards, I'm going to add a little bit of flour for the first coat. Okay, so now we're going to put our top on, and let's shake it. That song's going to be stuck in y'all head for the new year, just like it's about to be stuck in mine, child. But either way, we're shaking it up good. Yep. And now we're going to assess it. Let's see what our chicken looking like. Is it coated? No, honey, it's not giving. So we're going to add some more flour. The flour, the coating of it, this is the foundation for fried chicken, okay? If you don't have it coated right, no matter how much you fry it, baby, it ain't gonna be right, all right? We don't want no chicken with no sauce on it. We want some fried, crispy, thick old chicken. So this is the key. So we put some more flour on it, and we're going to shake it. Throw it back. Yes, honey. We're going to get that chicken good and coated, okay? And afterwards, we're going to let's assess it again, okay? So after this assessment and throwing it back for the last time, we're going to add some more of the marinade onto it. These layers is what gets it very crispy. I know some people, they might use water. I've seen some people like in Louisiana and Texas, they use like mustard and stuff, but I just use my marinade. But before this next layer, I'm just coating the chicken again with my hand. This is like the best way to make sure every crack and crevice of your chicken is covered, because we want it all crispy and good. And excuse my bougie glove, you guys. I didn't want to contaminate my phone and stuff with my dirty hands. So now this is the last layer I was speaking of the marinade. We're just covering up. And then after, we're going to add some more of the flour to it, okay? All right, a little razzle dazzle, a little drizzle. All right, and then for the last time, we about to go ahead, and what we going to do, we going to shake it. All 2022, y'all, we shaking things up. This doesn't just apply to these chicken that we cooking, honey. It applies to the whole year, all right? Let's shake things up, all right? So we shaking. And after, we're going to assess it for the last time. Very well. Let's just make sure it's covered. All right. All right, so it's coated good. So the next thing we're gonna do is prepare for the fryer. All right, so first thing, let's test that grease. You hear that sound? Yes, honey. That's the sound you want to hear. That's how you know your grease is ready. Okay. If you don't hear that sound, it ain't ready. I used to love hearing that coming from the school bus or playing outside, child. The smell in the air of the grease dropping ain't nothing like it. Okay. So either way, now we gonna drop it in that grease, baby. And yes, it's gonna give. Listen to that sound. Yes, like you can't be God given. Okay. So after you started frying, every good cook knows cleanliness is next to godliness. While we cook, we clean. While this chicken is frying, we are cleaning, okay? So go and get your bleach out, get your soap out, and let's get ready. You start plating your food and everything and get into it. So while I was washing, I also put a top on my chicken. My great grandma Honey, she taught me that this is how you not only get crispy chicken, but you get it kind of thick too. Now, if you hear it like shhin too much, now you need to take that top off because you don't want to mess around and blow your house up. But either way, stir your chicken round. This is how you make sure the bottom don't get too burned, even though that bottom is so good. And yeah, you want it to get this nice golden brown color. Some people like it light or dark. It doesn't really matter. And this is the outcome. Afterwards, I started plating my food. Now, we had black-eyed peas and some greens. Now, child, when Dixie had the mustards, I couldn't find no collards nowhere in town, but it still gave because we're looking for the wealth and prosperity for the new year. But anyway, I plated my husband's plate, and yeah, this next clip, y'all better shut your mouth. You better not laugh at me. I just wanted to give you guys the rundown on how crispy this chicken was. So listen close and don't judge me because I can slay when I want to slay. But today I just wanted to eat and cook for my man. So either way, just listen to how crispy this chicken was. Listen. In my Beyonce voice. Listen to it though. Abundance of energy. Their head should be carried. Yes, honey. Okay. It was giving. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Yes, honey.